All right, so most of us have some sockets in our tool chest. So, I decided to pick up one of these socket rails from Performance Tools. It is a 3/8 for my case. You could pick up 1/4 inch, you could pick up 1/2 inch. Very nice finish. They have blue, they have green, and they have the red. So I decided to, order some new sockets for myself, and I wanted to make some more space for the next set that I want to buy. So I currently had this one from Cobalt many years ago, and they slide all over the place when you put them on the side of the toolbox. They shake and they kind of like all go to one end. So I decided to upgrade and did some research. I found these online, so I'll put some of the links below. They help out the channel. We're trying to grow. Can't do it without your support. So these are 17 slots, and it is 3/8. So like I said, magnetic, and it's about 16.5 inches in diameter, and you could add some if you wanted to. I'll put some of the links also for the little tabs, 1/4 inch, 3/8, and for the 1/2. I'm super excited. I want to get this going, organize my drawers, and I currently have them inside the actual case that they came in, so I want to get that done. So like I said, most of us have a lot of sockets, and the good thing about it is you grab it, you could pop it on the side of the toolbox if you wanted to, or if you want to put them like I'm going to put them inside the toolbox, kind of like facing up. I tried it without the magnet, and as soon as you open the toolbox, some of the taller sockets will tip over and make a mess. So that's why the magnet is a must. So with that said, don't forget to like and follow. We got great videos coming. You don't want to miss them. So let's get right to it. All right, so this is basically what I have right now. I ended up getting this Gradiomatics. I really do like these socket sets. They're impact and they're thin walled, so very nice, easy to read. So I had everything pretty much old Craftsman, the chrome ones where, you could barely see any of the sizes, and I wanted something a little bit different. So I already did one, socket rail with my, my Allen, wrenches and things. So very nice, magnetic, beautiful color. These are all 3/8 and some 1/4. And the beautiful thing about it is that you could actually, these old ones, you could take out the ends and add some more clips, which I have. And same thing as here, you don't have to remove the ends on this one. You just basically slide it and you're good to go. So I do want to get, the 1/4 inch sockets from Gradiomatics. So I need a little bit more room. So that's why I want to stand them up just like these right here. So if you follow me, I did these from, Harbor Freight, the little, stands, the little red stands here, and they came out pretty nice. So I like to have things a little bit organized. So, little by little, we're going to go ahead and do some upgrades. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I like about these, see how much harder it is to move it? You got to literally put pressure to move it versus, look at that. So that's the reason why I wanted to get these right here. So beautiful finish in red. All right, so you can move it around, according to the side, the size that you need. So So you have 17 3/8 little adapters. So look how nice that looks. So it's got, the little cloth at the bottom. So if you want to put it in the side of your toolbox, you can scratch it, metal to metal. So it's very nice. These are actually aluminum and very, very nice. All right, beautiful. I love it. Exactly what I was looking for. So let's keep on going. All right, so you could pretty much arrange them whichever way you want to. You could actually add some 1/4, or you could add some 1/2 inch to the setup. Very easy to slide out, the little tabs. I have some extra ones from before, so I might, if it fits on the roll, like in this case, it looks nice like that. All the 16 sockets plus the extension fit on this one. I might have an extra one here that I could slide this one out so it could look nice and even. looks pretty nice. I'm very happy with the outcome. And they are nice and tight on there, so not gonna go anywhere. So I know nowadays they have, you know, the twist tabs and all that stuff. You know what, I don't want to even mess with that. I've seen mixed reviews on that. You know, these things, they go bad, just replace them, they're cheap, and it works. So that's, you know, what I like about it. So I mean, the twist and tab, what's good about it is this one you have to kind of hold it to pull them out. You know, you have to, you know, put a little force. That's why they stay nicely and tight in there. The twist ones, I think you twist it and then it come loose and then you can pull it out, but I've never tried it, so I wouldn't be able to tell you 100%. You know, what I'm going to do here is I might, once I get either the 1/4 inch or the 1/2 inch sockets, you know, I'll add a few of them here because there are going to be, sometimes they do overlap a little bit, so you could go ahead and put other stuff right here. You could put adapters, which maybe I'll do that too, but the only thing is that the other stuff that I have is chrome. So as you can see here, you know, right now some of these are chrome, some of the adapters, so little by little I'm going to be buying, you know, I might replace some of these here that are chrome. I mean, I don't use them as often, so, but, you know, still look pretty nice. Like, you know, since they have silver, so it kind of goes together. So let me go ahead and install it, see how they look. As you can see now, you know, I really do like, you know, this is organized and you can read them, you know, barely can read the label here, but, you know, a lot of the times you could use the actual casing for it, which is nice, but I don't have a lot of drawers, so I have to, you know, work with what I have. And, you know, now I have, you know, more real estate here. So now I could either do the 1/4 set or the 1/2 inch set. I'll probably get, you know, the 1/2 inch set, you know, and, you know, I could put 2 here, you know, even, you know, 2 more. So maybe a total of 3 or 4 more I could easily put on here. And I'll have room for it. So, you know, that's what I like about having, you know, this setup right here. So, you know, I'll have the metrics up here, standards here, and then, you know, these are the 3/8. And then what I could do here, get the green ones or the blue ones. I don't remember which one's which. And it'll be, you know, the 1/2 of the 1/4. So fantastic, super happy. You know, they don't go anywhere. So you could, you know, slam your door because there's a magnet. You need it, you grab it, you know. It's a lot easier with 2 hands. But definitely the magnet works fantastic. All right, guys, so, you know, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Any comments, love to see your comments, what you think. And, you know, we're not finished here, you know, just beginning. And, you know, as I said, you know, check out my other videos. We did these from Harbor Freight. Come out very nice. Got some LEDs under actual bench and some behind the pegboard that look pretty nice. Sometimes, you know, with the walk in here, it's got the motion sensor. It looks kind of cool. You come in here sometimes to get a screwdriver, whatever, in the evening, and it looks pretty nice. So very happy, exactly what I was looking for. And, you know, if you're looking for a pretty nice impact set, this is called a Duo from Great Pneumatics. And, you know, pick them up on, you know, Amazon or online. I'll put some of the links below. Very nice. They're a little pricey, but they look fantastic. I love, you know, the two-tone that they have, but very, very sweet looking. They also have different types. You know, they have the 6-point, 12-point, all kinds of stuff. So, like I said, I'll put some of the links below. Check them out. Help us out. And we're pretty much done here. To the next video. Thanks for watching.